Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best grill grate is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for achieving that perfect sear and even cook on your outdoor barbecue, transforming ordinary meals into culinary masterpieces with its ability to distribute heat consistently and provide a sturdy, reliable surface for all your grilling adventures, ensuring every burger, steak, or vegetable comes off the grill exactly how you envisioned it. Number 5. Weber Cooking Grate 13.5 for 14 Smokey Joe Grills. This cooking grate is crafted from heavy-duty plated steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand high temperatures and frequent use for all your grilling needs. Designed specifically for 14-inch Smokey Joe charcoal grills, it ensures a perfect fit. This includes silver, gold, and tuck-and-carry models, making it a versatile replacement. With a diameter of 13.5 inches, it provides an optimal cooking surface for your favorite foods. You'll have plenty of space to grill burgers, steaks, and vegetables. Its out-of-carton dimensions are 13.7 by 13.7 by 0.3 inches, making it compact and easy to handle. This design ensures it integrates seamlessly with your grill. There is absolutely no assembly required for this grate. Simply unbox it and place it directly into your grill to start cooking immediately. What we like. This grate is specifically designed for 14-inch Smokey Joe charcoal grills, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Its compact 13.5-inch diameter is ideal for smaller grilling needs or portable setups. If you own a Smokey Joe and need a direct, hassle-free replacement, this is the perfect choice for quick and easy grilling. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source content. Therefore, specific points about the Weber 18-inch grill grate cannot be extracted or quoted as requested. Number 4. Weber Spirit and Genesis Cast Iron Grill Grates. Enhance your grilling experience with these premium cast iron grates. They are precisely engineered to fit a wide range of popular Weber Spirit and Genesis models. These grates are compatible with Spirit 300 series, Spirit 700, and various Genesis models like Silver BC and Gold BC. They also replace several original Weber part numbers. Don't worry if you have a Spirit 2 or GS4 grill, these grates are fully compatible. They are an excellent choice to replace older grates or upgrade your existing cooking system. Crafted from solid cast iron, these grates offer superior heat retention and durability compared to enamel-coated versions. They resist chipping and rust, ensuring year-round grilling enjoyment. Achieve professional-level searing in consistent temperatures every time you cook. These grates deliver even heat distribution, locking in juices and creating those desirable sear marks. Each grate measures 17.5 by 11.9 inches, making them a perfect fit for many 3-burner Spirit models. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to quickly get back to grilling. Please note, while highly versatile, these grates are not compatible with Genesis Silver A or the Weber Spirit E 310 2025 edition. Always check your model for the best fit. What we like. These heavy-duty cast iron grates offer superior heat retention and searing capabilities, locking in flavor. They are engineered to fit a wide range of Weber Spirit and Genesis models, providing versatile compatibility. If you're looking to upgrade your grilling performance with professional-level searing and need a grate that fits many Weber gas grills, this is an excellent option. What people say. Number 3. Weber 17.5 Plated Steel Cooking Grate. Enhance your grilling experience with this premium cooking grate. It's designed to fit perfectly with your 18-inch charcoal grills. This grate is also compatible with Barbie Kettle and 18-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker Smoker upper cooking grates. You'll find it's a seamless addition to your setup. Crafted from 17.5-inch nickel-plated steel, this heavy-duty grate is built to last. It provides excellent heat retention for consistent cooking. Replacing your old grate is simple and quick. You can easily install and remove it, making cleaning and maintenance a breeze. Please note, this product is specifically for upper cooking grate usage. It is not intended for use as a lower charcoal grate. What we like. This 17.5-inch plated steel grate is a reliable replacement for many 18-inch Weber charcoal grills. It's designed for durability and ease of use, making it simple to swap out your old grate. If you own an 18-inch Weber charcoal grill, Barbie kettle, or Smokey mountain cooker and need a sturdy, standard cooking surface, this is a dependable choice. What people say. Number 2. Weber 13.5 Charcoal Grate for 18 grills. Enhance your grilling experience with this essential replacement part. It's designed to perfectly fit your 18-inch Weber charcoal grill, ensuring a seamless upgrade. This grate provides the ideal foundation for your charcoal briquettes. It ensures they sit properly, allowing for optimal heat distribution. Crafted from heavy-duty plated steel, it offers exceptional durability. This robust construction makes it resistant to moisture and various weather conditions. Its thoughtful design allows for easy arrangement of your briquettes. This feature helps you achieve consistent heat for perfect cooking every time. By ensuring proper charcoal support and airflow, it helps you achieve the best barbecue results. You'll notice the difference in your grilled food. This is an original Weber replacement part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. Trust in its design to maintain your grill's performance. What we like. Unlike cooking grates, this is specifically designed to hold your charcoal, ensuring optimal airflow and heat distribution. Its heavy-duty plated steel construction is moisture and weather resistant, built for longevity. If you need to replace the bottom grate that supports your briquettes in an 18-inch Weber charcoal grill and want better charcoal management, this is the essential component. What people say. Number 1. Kamado Joe Classic Joe Series 2KJ 23 RHC. This premium 18-inch ceramic grill offers an ideal cooking size. It comes with a robust cast iron cart, complete with locking wheels for stability and easy movement. Its revolutionary 2-tier divide and conquer system transforms your cooking experience. This multi-level, half-moon design allows you to cook various foods in different styles and temperatures simultaneously. The controlled tower top vent ensures precise airflow management. This rain-resistant, dual-adjustment vent lets you smoke at 225°F or sear at 750°F with consistent air settings. Its innovative air lift hinge significantly reduces the dome's weight. You can lift it with just a single finger, providing an incredibly comfortable grilling experience. The advanced multi-panel firebox features a patent-pending 6-piece design. This construction eliminates breakage and significantly increases its overall grilling efficiency. What we like. This is a complete premium ceramic grill system, offering unparalleled heat retention and versatility for both grilling and smoking. Its innovative divide and conquer system allows for multi-level, multi-temperature cooking simultaneously. If you are a serious griller or smoker looking for a high-end, feature-rich ceramic grill with precise temperature control and flexible cooking options, this entire unit is a top-tier investment. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.